14th Nagaland Legislative Assembly 8 session laga first phase loi dia pichide speaker Sharinga Longkumar pra Thursday de junai ke second phase to March 26 day shuru kuribo. Second phase to 2026 to 27 laga state budget presentation logode mili jabu koise. Thursday de Chief Minister Dr. Nipirio pra department kunuba laga annual administrative report dhalishe. Type NPSC laga annual report pidishe. Alak MLA kam pra abi taikan laga department laga report dishe.
Thank you, Honourable Member. Honourable Members, with that we have transacted all the business listed for the day. Today we will be breaking for lunch early. Today the lunch is hosted by Honourable Minister, Honourable Shri Munsiful Jamir. All the Honourable Members, ex-parliamentarians, AHODs, HODs and media friends are invited to join for lunch at the Legislators' Home. Also, Honourable Members are well aware. I have a small information and to share with all of you. Honourable Members are aware that in the last 7th session of this 14th August House, the Honourable Chief Minister had launched a significant handbook on wellness of all the concerned Honourable Members, respected AHODs and HODs, which was an initiative of the Chairman of the Investment and Development Authority of Nagaland and the Medanta Group of Hospitals. Keeping in mind that as policymakers and policy implementers are significant human resource assets of the state of Nagaland, in light of which I have discussed elaborately with the government through the good office of the Honourable Minister Parliamentary Affairs during the Business Advisory Committee meeting relating to this 8th session. And so, in particular, this 8th session has been curated in such a way that it has been divided in 2 parts, keeping your health as a pertinent parameter, and so the session has been divided in 2 parts. The first part of the session is coming to an end today, and the second part of this session will be starting on the 26th of March to meet again at 9:30 a.m. So this is breaking away from general conventions and looking forward to the progress of the policies and also looking into the wellness of everyone concerned to your convenience. So the House will stand adjourned to meet again to reassemble on the 26th at 9:30 a.m. House stands adjourned. Everyone is invited for lunch to join